All right, guys. So we're back at it one more again here. It's the countdown to STAAR series. We're in series 6, page 5, number 2. So here we go here. So this is the feedback. So what happened in case I made a mistake here? So it says which of the following could represent the side unit lengths of a right triangle? So the most important thing here that I need to understand is it's a right triangle. So what I want to do is I want to be able to draw a right triangle, and then I want to be able to label whatever these parts that are going on here. Okay. So here's my right triangle right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to circle my right angle, draw a line straight across from it. That is going to be my C. My A is going to be the shortest side, and B is going to be the other leg. So what we have here is we have a situation where we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem. How do I know? Because as I go back to the formula chart and scroll all the way down to the bottom, I'm going to be looking here at the Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So I'm going to write that formula accordingly. So I have a situation where that's what I'm going to use. So I have a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Now, the next thing that I want to do is I want to be able to label each one of these answer choices to make the determination of, can I put it into this formula right here? So real quickly here, I'm just going to go by longest side is C, A is the shortest, B is the next shortest. Longest side is C, here's B, here's A. C, here's B, here's A, and then C, here's B, here's A. So here's what I want to do because I know this. I'm going to take this exact formula and I'm going to put it into the calculator with those numbers given. So let's go ahead and pop this calculator up and see what we can come up with here. All right. So first of all, I'm going to do 3 squared plus 5 squared equals 6 squared. So here's my 3. Squared button is located right above log, right to the left of the comma. Squared plus 5 squared. Now the equal sign, I'm going to hit second math, and that'll get me the equals, and it equals 6 squared. That's a 0, so that is incorrect. Now I'm going to do the next one. So if it comes up with a 0, that means it's false. If it comes up with a 1, it's true. So I'm going to do the same thing. 7 squared plus 12 squared. Second math again is equal to 15 squared. That is also incorrect. So now let's look at H. 2 squared plus 6 squared. Second math one more again is equal to 8 squared. And again, all I'm doing is putting it in exactly as I see it into the calculator. I'm just filling in A, B, and C accordingly. Okay. So now my final one, 9 squared plus 40 squared. Second math is equal to 41 squared. And that's a true statement. So that is how we figure out if it could represent a right triangle by using the calculator. Why don't you go ahead and give that a try again? See if you could come up with the correct answer. Thank you guys for tuning in. It's on to the next one.